So for creating this PC shortcut on your Windows 11, you have to go to your settings. In setting, you have to go to personalization. In here, you will find the themes option. You have to click on that. In here, you will find the desktop icon settings. You have to click on that. So once you open the desktop icon settings, you will see there is option desktop icons, and you will see the computer. You have to click on check the computer option and click on apply and click on OK. Now let's go back to desktop to check if the icon has appeared or not. So you will get a shortcut of this PC in here. So if you want to use this shortcut in other location as well, then you have to create a shortcut of this. So for that, you have to right click on it and you will find the option create shortcut. You have to click on that. So you can copy or cut this option and paste it in another location, and you can access this PC from there as well. So that's all for today. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.